Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you Powtoon demo, how to use Powtoon for animation videos. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to use Powtoon for animation videos. So first, go to any web browser and then type Powtoon, and this is their homepage, their website. And all you have to do here is to simply click sign up or start now, or you can scroll down here to see more. If you have an account, click login. If you don't have an account yet, then click sign up. So let's create your account right here. You can add your email, but for me the easiest way to sign up is just connect your Google account. So let's begin with a few simple steps to personalize your experience. Get started. So I would like to create videos and visual content for, let's just say, personal needs, and then create content for social media, or everything is up to you. For me, it's social media, and then tap next. And it will take you directly to your Powtoon homepage. Here you can see different templates and designs that you can use for your video animation. So you can start something awesome. You can click something here like for presentation, for video explainer. You can also go to this part right here, like create a new Powtoon with a template. Personalized templates, you can see it down here, but as you can see, or if you observe, there is this icon like a yellow icon right here. That means you cannot use this template or this design because you need to upgrade your plan into Pro in order for you to unlock this feature or this template. But as you can see, there are tons of featured templates right here, and all you have to do is to select one. But I strongly suggest, if you want these templates, then please do upgrade your plan into Pro. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So to start, you just have to select a template right here. For example, presentation. As you can see, it's now loading, and you can create with the basic template below. Okay, but for this time, what we're going to do is we're just going to look for template that is for free. Okay, so as you can see, if I tap templates here, I can see tons of templates, but it's kind of hard for me to select a free template. If you want to start with a blank template, you can click this blank template right here and then choose the ratio or the size of your video. For example, 16:9 square. If you want to create YouTube shorts or TikTok videos, you can select 9:16. Okay, so let me look for something here that is for free. And if you want to look for a specific template, then you can just simply search it right here. For example, I'm looking for something marketing because I will be doing a video presentation or animation video about marketing. But unfortunately, I cannot see or I cannot look for something that is for free. So I have to delete this one and then go to all templates. And then I found this one for teachers. It's like if you want to introduce yourself, if you're a teacher, or let's just say if you are a new worker or employee, then you can use this presentation. On the left side are slides. So basically, if you want to edit something on that specific slide, all you have to do is to click that. If you want to edit script, just go to script and then delete or add something right here. If it's kind of hard for you to create one, then you can ask a help from ChatGPT for your script. Okay, so going back, let's start to edit your video or your cartoon right here. Okay, so for the first line, if you want to change your background color, you just have to click this gear icon, tap this color icon, and you can change your background color. To swap slides, click this one. If you want to change your text, just click the text and you will see this option on the left side, a small box right here. Feel free to change the font style. Okay, you can also increase and decrease the size of your font or font size. Also, you can place it anywhere right here. And then if you want to edit again, just click this text icon. And if you want to again change the font style, you can just simply look for that specific font style. If you want to increase, if you want to set this bold, italic, or if you tap underline or like underline, change the font color, you can just simply click it right here. And then after that, you can also change opacity or decrease opacity. Okay, everything is up to you. Now tap X to exit. Here you can also change the effect of the animation, text animation, or even this cartoon or image animation right here. you can arrange, and you can also add links. Okay, so see how easy it is. This one is really a user-friendly tool or website, and all you have to do is to simply click, and then the option for editing will just pop up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Feel free to change, to delete, or to add any word right here. For example, you are a new teacher and you want to add this, "Good day, my name is Andrea." So you will see the result when you click this play icon right here. Okay, so same thing. If you want to change the font color, you just have to click the text, and then the option will just pop up, or the option for editing will just pop up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, feel free to increase the size if you want, change the font color again, and also you can increase the size of your character right here or image. And basically this is what it looks like. You can also change the opacity or decrease opacity. You can change the size, you can add effects, or you just have to simply click the character or the object right here, and the option for editing will just pop up. So again, if you want to see the result, you just have to click this play button right here, and then drag this arrow from the very beginning and then press play. Okay, so this is the result. Now if you want to change something, feel free to change something here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now the next thing to do here is, if you want to change the ratio or the size of your presentation, feel free to tap this arrow facing down, and then you can set this to 9:16 or 16:9 and other options right here. So basically that's how you change the ratio or size of your video. You can also add a template or a design here from the gallery or from your library, or also you can invite someone to help you with this if you want someone to edit this for you. Okay, and if you want to add slide, and then all you have to do is just simply click this plus button beside script, and then you can add a slide right here. And that's it. Now, if you want to make some changes with your script, all you have to do again is to tap script right here. And if you want to edit or add something, just click or double click, and you can edit or remove a text or word right here and change its font style, font size, or let's just say you can edit format right here. So basically this is what it looks like. And again, you can change the effect if you want, and you can also add an image right here if you want to change this image. Actually you can, but I think you need to upgrade your plan into Pro to do that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is a sample result for your animation videos. You can do more, you can do better, I know. Just look for that specific or right template for your presentation and edit a little bit, edit the text, edit the object, and that's it. So that's how easy it is to use Powtoon for animation videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.